Good morning and welcome to another edition of Tudor Talks. I'm Gabe Tudor, proud superintendent at Worcester City Schools. Today I am at Cornerstone Elementary celebrating Unity Day. I'm here with Mr. Eric Vizo, principal at Cornerstone, and Mrs. Molly Richard, our director of elementary education. Mrs. Richard, tell us a little bit about what is Unity Day and what we're doing as a district.
Yeah, we have a lot of things going on across the district and all the different buildings, but Unity Day is celebrated to bring awareness to kindness, acceptance, and inclusion, something we want to practice every day, but we would bring a special day to wear orange and have lots of lessons throughout the district to celebrate and talk about ways we can be kind, things, morning announcements. There's different quotes that are shared and a lot of different guidance lessons that happen throughout the district.
Yeah, thank you very much. And Mr. Vizo, I know kindness is something that is emphasized here at Cornerstone regularly. What are some things that you guys do, just to really make sure that our kids are exhibiting that and that is really a value that they are constantly taught?
So today we're wearing orange, or Cleveland Browns. And we also, in each classroom, we have some kindness lessons, as Ms. Richards said. And our theme for this whole year is You Matter. So it's celebrating the uniqueness of all of our students and every day.
Yeah, well, great. Well, this is the, Unity Day, and this concept is something that we want to practice all year long, but it's nice to have a little special focus on it today. And let's actually hear from some Cornerstone students that exemplify kindness regularly. Well, I'm here with Kyrie, Quentin, and Charlie from Cornerstone Elementary. And I am so excited for them to be here with us today because they're going to talk a little bit about kindness. And who better to learn about kindness from three very kind people. So, Kyrie, tell me what it means to be kind to others.
When someone's hurt, you can help them and they will feel better.
Yeah, that's a really nice way to be kind, isn't it? Yeah, and I know Mr. Vizo asked you to be in this video because you show kindness to others all the time, so thank you for doing that. Quentin and Charlie, I'll have you both answer this question, okay? Mm-hmm. When someone's kind to you, so if Kyrie was kind to you just like she's talked about there, how does that make you feel? Quentin, you go first.
Happy.
Happy? Yeah. What about you, Charlie? How do you feel when someone's kind to you?
Happy.
You feel happy too? Well, when someone's kind to you, does it sometimes also then make you feel like you want to go be kind to someone else?
Yeah.
Yeah. I always feel like that. Like if somebody shows me kindness, it almost makes me think more about then how I can be kind to others, right? And I really want to say to you two, thank you so much for being kind and being leaders as well in this way. So
last year I was team captain.
You were? That's awesome. That's leadership. Being a leader. One of the most important parts about being a leader is being kind, right? And I definitely can tell you're doing that. So thanks so much. This is a great examples of kind leaders here
in
at
August,
Cornerstone.
I got 9 blue tallies.
9 blue tallies. That's awesome. That's part of our, positive behavior incentives.
Yeah.
So great job. Thank you, Quentin. Can you guys wave to the camera? And I hope everybody has a good Unity Day. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed hearing from some of our amazing students here at Cornerstone Elementary about what it means to be kind and how it feels to experience kindness. Also wanted to take this opportunity to remind everybody of upcoming parent-teacher conferences, which are the week of November 6th. Parent-teacher conferences this year, we will continue the format we have the last few years in terms of signups, which will be through the app called Meet the Teacher. We have found that to be a pretty efficient way to get people registered for conferences. If you have any questions or issues with that, please go ahead and contact your school building and they can help you through that if that is an issue for you. At the middle and high school, we will use Meet the Teacher then also as an online conference option, as we have found that participation in conferences is much higher at middle and high school using the online option through Meet the Teacher. Again, if you want an in-person conference at middle high school, that is still an option, but by and large, we were planning to use the online option. While the elementary conferences will still use Meet the Teacher as a sign-up, but they will do in-person conferences. And Mrs. Richard, there's a specific reason why we do in-person conferences at the elementary, because they look a little different than your typical parent-teacher conference. So tell us a little about what our conferences look like based on our Leader in Me approach.
So many of the students have an opportunity to share their leadership binders, and they also lead parts of their own conference. And this gives them an opportunity to speak about what they're doing well in the classroom and talk about things that they want to work on. And this just helps them with speaking and providing that opportunity for them to share with their own families, a lot of times in a different way than they would maybe at home.
Yeah, I can say as a parent, the last few years I've experienced those in-person conferences through the Leader in Me model, and it is really neat. It empowers kids to share their growth and success. I just think it's such a great experience. So just a reminder again about those parent-teacher conferences upcoming, and hope you enjoyed the video learning a little bit about Unity Day.